would you agree with this statement? Never rush into an investment out of fear of missing out. That's just a recipe for disaster.
Yeah, the great fears are big drivers. And fear of missing out, fear of loss, these are all emotive responses. So if you've got a proper methodology, you have a predetermined point when you would close the trade. And that's done while you're rational and before you've been entered into the trade. So our methodology that we utilize, it's a case of if you take this level to the upside, we will then be triggered long or active, we'll be a buyer. And if you then subsequently turn and run that level, at that point we've agreed that the setup we thought existed has failed. So there's a failure point and it's determined, and then at any point that failure point is breached, that particular active investment is closed. And if it goes the other way towards a target, there is a higher reward to risk element to it, because we are looking for those unique price points when you can get a bigger gain than you stand to lose, and then that has a standing order in it to sell. And there's actually also been melt-ups that have then come straight back down again, which have led to quite great exits. So by having a target in, you make yourself available also for good fortune, which is one of the reasons why I have the upside in but not the downside. I just activate it as and when that level is run.
How can understanding crowd psychology help us trade in cryptocurrencies? You just touched on it a bit there.
Yes, it's a great one. I'll refer again that particularly in volatile instruments, you're just going to have extremer versions of fear and greed. So the fear of missing out is going to be extreme when everything is going up. Everyone will charge mindlessly. They'll buy regardless of the price. They'll chase. They just need to be in. And then come the abrupt downswings, there'll be help, I'm losing money, get me out at any cost. So there's a lack of process, there's a lack of methodological approach. I don't know what happened there. Thank you, methodology. And what as a result happens is there's just nothing to hang your shirt on. You need that coat hanger of structure. This is how we approach, and this is how we're going to do it. So you need to be taking off regularly on targets. That's the base. You're not caught all the way in, suddenly trying to get out when everyone else gets out. That's the reactive, and that is fight and flight as well. So the minute you feel yourself responding with a crowd, you're probably losing money and you're being inefficient.